Good evening, everyone. Today we are going to discuss about strategies on how to improve your TOEIC score. Whether you are preparing for your first test or aiming to improve your previous score, I will share actionable tips to help you succeed. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Calvin Evandra, otherwise NPM 243237. And now we go to the first slide about understanding TOEIC test format. Now, understanding TOEIC test format. First, it's crucial to understand the TOEIC test format. TOEIC assesses your English language proficiency in professional setting with two main sections. The first is listening comprehension with 100 questions. This listening section includes conversation, talk, and discussion and test your ability to understand spoken English in business context. And then the second is comprehension, 100 questions. This reading session included reading passages and questions to evaluate your understanding of written English in professional scenarios. Understanding the test format will help you manage time better and focus on the specific skill needed for each section. Next is build listening skill. Now let's talk about improving your listening skill. First is listen to English daily. Listen to podcasts, news, or audiobooks in English daily, especially material related to business or professional topic. This will help you to get used to different accents and speaking speed. And the second is practice TOEIC listening section. Use TOEIC practice material to get familiar with the question type and timing. Focus on understanding the main idea, detail, and implied meaning in conversation. And the third is take note while listening. While listening to conversation or talk, practice taking note. This will help you remember key detail and answer the question more accurately. Next, improve reading skill. First is read regularly in English. Read article, report, or books in English daily. Focus on business-related content, such as new website, blog, or academic journal. This will expose you to the kind of language used in TOEIC reading passages. And the second is skim and scan. Practice skimming reading for general meaning and scanning looking for specific information. This technique will help you save time during the reading section and improve your ability to locate answers quickly. And the third is practice TOEIC reading passages. Like with listening, use TOEIC specific practice material to learn, identify keyword, main idea, and supporting detail in text. Next, and we go to the vocabulary and grammar practice. Strong vocabulary and grammar are essential for both listening and reading section. Here are a few tips to improve your grammar and vocabulary. The first one is expand your vocabulary. Focus on learning on vocabulary related to business and everyday situation. Use flashcards or apps like Anki to review new words regularly. And the second is learn TOEIC specific vocabulary. Certain words and phrases frequently appear on TOEIC. Make a list of these terms and practice them. And the third is review grammar rules. Review common grammar structures such as tense, conditional, and modals. Grammar accuracy is important for understanding the meaning of the sentence and answering the question correctly. And then we go to the next slide is practice time management. This is very important. Time management is the key of during the TOEIC exam. Here is how to practice managing your time effectively. The first is simulate full-length tests. Take full-length practice tests under time condition. This will help you to get used to the pace of the exam and avoid running out of time of any section. And the second is prioritize the easier question. Answer the easier question first and leave the most difficult for later. This ensures you to don't waste valuable time on questions you are not sure about. And the third is allocate time for each section. In the listening section, don't spend too much time on one question. Move on if you are unsure. Similarly to the reading session, keep track of time and don't get stuck on difficult questions. And then we go to the next is consistent practice. and feedback. Lastly, consistent practice and feedback are crucial to improving your TOEIC score. You need to practice every day at least 30 minutes to an hour each day to focus on TOEIC preparation. This will consistency lead you to gradual improvement. And the second is seek feedback. After taking practice tests, review your answer carefully. Identify area where you make mistake and focus on improving those weaknesses. You can also get feedback from teacher or language partner. And third is stay motivated. Stay motivated by setting small achievable goal. For example, aim to improve your listening score by 10 points over the next month. Taking progress will keep you engaged and motivated. In conclusion, to improving your TOEIC score is matter of consistent practice, familiarizing yourself with the test format and focusing on the key area of the listening, reading, vocabulary, and grammar. By incorporating the strategies into your study, you will be well on your way to achieving higher score. Thank you for your attention, and I'm happy to tell you about how to improve your TOEIC score. And I'm sorry if I made some mistake. Thank you and good evening.